hours ahead of former President Donald Trump's Tuesday arraignment on 34 felony charges filed by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg. The right-wing outlet Breitbart published a story about New York Supreme Court Judge Juan Merchan's daughter Lauren's history as a staffer for Vice President Kamala Harris and President Joe Biden's 2020 White House runs. According to Merchan's archived LinkedIn account, she worked as the Director of Digital Persuasion for Kamala Harris for the People from February 2019 through December 2019, which was during the 2020 presidential election, wrote Breitbart. And according to the company's website, the Biden-Harris campaign was also a client. Merchan is overseeing Bragg's case against Trump, and there is no indication that he is biased. Nonetheless, at 9:52 a.m., Trump fell into a digital rage. Very unfair venue, with some areas that voted 1% Republican. This case should be moved to nearby Staten Island, would be a very fair and secure location for the trial. Additionally, the highly partisan judge and his family are well-known Trump haters. He was an unfair disaster on a previous Trump-related case, wouldn't recuse, gave horrible jury instructions, and impossible to deal with during the witch hunt trial. His daughter worked for Kamala and now the Biden-Harris campaign. Kangaroo Court. Democratic strategist Larry Huynh noticed Trump's rant and shared it on Twitter. Wow, Trump just posted this picture from Mud Rag Breitbart of his own judge's daughter, Huynh stated, condemning Trump's attack as corrupt. Damning. Disgusting. Trump's sons also reacted to Breitbart's piece. They are all handpicked. It is all prearranged. This corruption is on a different level, Eric complained. Seems relevant, yet another connection in this handpicked Democrat show trial, Donald Jr. whined. The BS never ends, folks. Observers on social media were unsurprised by Trump's antics, which fit into his long-established pattern of hostility toward Merchan and other jurists. The comment threads thusly reflected that 2023 better not suck. My thought, he's trying to get the judge to withdraw for conflict of interest. If Trump's lawyers can prove the judge now has personal feelings towards Trump, that judge is gone and the case is delayed. Totally disgusting mob boss behavior. Farce News Channel, not sure if you're aware, your dad committed a lot of crimes. Kind of like your charity crime, but many more than that and way worse. Pittsburgh liberal, nah, your father is just a criminal. Just Mary, do you never shrink from lying? You're too late, cupcake. Daddy's getting indicted and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Now let's talk about stealing foundation $. Luke Zaleski, the same playbook every time. Trump's 8 stages of guilty. 1. I didn't do it. 2. I didn't do anything wrong. 3. I didn't do anything illegal. 4. The people accusing me are guilty. 5. The law is illegal. 6. Prove it. 7. What happened didn't happen. 8. It's fine, I did it, I'll do it again. Scott Carty, you are very sad. Very, very sad. Put the cocaine down. But thank you for doing one more idiotic thing that doesn't help your daddy. Matt Ortega, totally weird that Clarence Thomas's wife was part of the attempt to overthrow the government and involved in the cases Thomas rules on, huh? Oh, you're not talking about that? Real Housewife of Michigan, she has nothing to do with this and it's not her fault. Maybe daddy shouldn't have broken the law, you drugged-up clown. Jules Morgan, this is sickening, but typical of you and your criminal family. Instead of attacking the merits, you're attacking the judge's daughter. Your behavior is shameful and disgusting. You and your family will never see the inside of the White House again. Jan Ebbinga, I know of a daughter who got a job in the White House because her dad was president. And she then abused that job to make millions for herself and her family.